Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Let's kick off with football. The Ministry of Health and Wellness is still awaiting improved COVID-19 protocols from the Jamaica Football Federation for specific areas before the green light can be given for the resumption of the National Premier League. Now, the JFF has already missed the previous dates of November 14 and December 6, which had been set as likely dates for the start of the new season. Minister of Health and Wellness Dr. Christopher Tufton says the local governing body for football will have to resubmit amended protocols outlining its plan of action regarding one particular area to get the 2020-2021 season of the National Premier League up and running. The minister spoke with TVJ Sports over the weekend.
I know they have made an offer in terms of introducing activities without the crowd support, but even so, in the expert advice of the clinicians, the public health team, the interaction of teams and management still does pose a risk, and there are certain protocols that need to be put in place for that.
When contacted for a response, JFF President Michael Ricketts told TVJ Sports his organization is now awaiting correspondence from the health minister to outline the specific concerns.
As soon as the minister is specific on what the real issues are, what the shortcomings are in relation to the protocol that we would have submitted, then certainly we'll make these adjustments. But I think a response ought to be on its way. So as soon as we hear from the minister, then certainly whatever the issues are, we'll have them addressed as quickly as we can.
The 2019-2020 National Premier League was postponed in March following the confirmation of COVID-19 on the island before the JFF officially cancelled the season and ruled it null and void in May. In the meantime, Minister Tufton added that crowd control remains the biggest factor, hampering the resumption of many sporting events and competitions across the local landscape.
I'm more than happy to sit and talk to them and to continue the discussion, because I understand the importance of sports from a number of perspectives, not just the competition, but for the mental state of persons who either are fans or who participate. And so ideally we would like to see its resumption, but we have to manage it in the context of where the virus is and the overall compliance generally.
Horse racing was the first local sport to resume after the lockdown of sporting events in March, and since then there have been action in track and field, golf and tennis.